Okay, Highlevel Harris, the best affiliate on the planet. Now, what we're going to do today is create an AI chatbot. Now, this is super cool for you to upsell to your clients, that they don't have to even talk to their customers, any leads that come in. The chatbot, we're going to train the chatbot to understand, customly understand that business and answer any questions that they have. So I'm going to show you how we're going to do that with a chatbot on the website. Okay, so let's get into it. Firstly, we're going to create a chat widget, and what a chat widget is, if I just go onto one of my sub accounts for my clients, chat widget is just basically this thing at the bottom here where customers can text, and ask questions. That's what a chat widget is. So what you're going to do is go into your sub account, go to the sites tab. Then what you want to do is go to chat widget. Okay. Once you're on chat widget, we can create a chat widget. Now, there's a WhatsApp. You can create a chat widget for WhatsApp. I don't recommend it because for the WhatsApp setup, you gotta pay, I think. You got the normal chat widget. You've got the normal chat widget, which is this one, which is basically where a customer puts their name, phone, email, and asks a question, and then they don't get answered straight away. So whenever the local business sees the message, then they'll reply back. But then there's live chat where this could work two ways. One way is that if you're working with a massive business and they've got people 24/7 there just to answer questions, this would be great for them. Or you can have a live chat where AI actually replies to them, which I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So just for the first one quickly, this SMS email chat, if you want, let's select that. This is the bog standard chat widget, which you can see here. What you do, you put your name, phone, message, and then that's it. So I can put if you send it, then all it says is thank you, one of our representatives will contact you shortly. So what that does is, once like a potential customer, like me in this example, messages this business, that chat ends there. Once the business owner goes either on their mobile app, they'll get a notification. For example, you can see here, they would get a notification on the Lead Connector mobile app where they can tap it and go back and forward with them, just message them. Or if they're on the software, they can go to the conversations tab, and you can, here it is, your business is great, and you can go back to them, say thank you, and you can just go back and forward with the client and message them. So that's the bog standard chat widget. Everything's like done for you here. You can look through and change anything you want, but all you do is press save at the bottom, go to your website that you want the chat widget to go on, go into settings, and then you can select your chat widget here. So you can create I've got a few that I've made, but your one, you just click your one, you press save, and it'll be there in the website. But for AI, we want to choose the live chat widget. So let's click that, click on live chat widget. And then same thing, you can name this whatever you want, go through, save it, and then go on your website settings and configure this. And configure the live chat widget as the one you want. But you may be thinking, okay, so how does AI message them and go back and forward with them without the local business doing anything? So here's how you do it. So what you do is you go to settings, you go to conversation AI. Now, let me go through each of these for you. What you want to do is configure this to not off but autopilot. Then what the supported channels is where the bot will work on. So what you want to do is click on live chat widget, and anything else you want. Change your business, make sure the business name is make sure you change this to the business name. Autopilot mode, make sure this is like 5 to 6 seconds, because then it seems like it's a real person replying. If the chat bot replies instantly, it just looks fake. I would say maximum messages the bot can send, 10 messages is enough. And make sure the bot goes sleep when I message manually or through a workflow. So say for example, you want to take over the conversation, the bot will just step back. That's why you want to make sure that's configured. And the current price is like 2 pence per message, which is fine. Especially considering the fact you can really upsell this to local businesses, because this is a cool feature that they probably haven't seen before. And it's not that hard to set up. I'm gonna show you all in practice in a minute. Okay, so once that's configured, you can trial the bot, you can send it back and forward, but I wouldn't really get too fussed with that. Here's how you train the bot to know about the local business. So what you can do is get the bot to crawl on your website and scan it and read for everything and memorize it. So for example, I've uploaded, here's my website. What I've done is I've got the URL link and pasted it here and made the bot trained to read that page and understand like the page. So for example, right, I haven't trained the bot on my pricing page. So what I want to do is go to my website. And by the way, if you want my website, if you want my snapshot, here's all the things you get for joining my affiliate, the best affiliate on the planet by a mile. Look at all these benefits, it's crazy. But for example, let's say, let me go my pricing page. Okay, so here's my pricing. Okay, so what I want to do is copy the URL here, go here, paste it, and press get data. What happens is the bot goes to that page and that crawls the page. So let's let it do its thing. Okay, so boom. So here it is. Here's my URL and it says status trained. Okay, so now it's trained. You can go into your website and paste all the links. That's done. Then you can also customize the bot responses. So I've got, if someone asks how much do you charge, I've got like an answer I want to make sure the bot says. So here's what the bot says. And also if they ask how do I get started, you can jump on a free Zoom call and jump on that link. And say for example you want to make sure the bot answers a question specifically, you put that in here, okay? Not too hard. Configure intents. Now make sure you enable these two both. And if you've got like a beauty salon, for example, you want to make sure that the bot is pushing the potential lead to book onto their calendar for an appointment. So you make sure you build a calendar. I made loads of videos on this before. Pick calendar, make sure it's the calendar you want. So mine's Adam X, make sure you save it. And I recommend you tick this box. Don't book appointment, only send a booking link. Because what can happen is that the bot will like ask you questions, are you free on this day at this time, which costs you more money firstly. But then I think it's just better for the client to have the booking link itself and choose the time themselves. It's just better from my experience. You can edit the prompt, who is the bot, you can change things. The goal is of course to get the customer to book an appointment. Anything else the bot should know. So I'm going to show you how this works in real time. So let's do that right now. Okay, let's go into the chat widget and let's say hello. I spelled that wrong, but it doesn't even matter. So what will happen is that our automated says it will say give us a minute to assign to the best person. So it even seems like a real person. Then it says hey there, what's up, which is the AI, but it sounds like human. Then I can say what services do you offer? Let's wait. It should take about 6 seconds. So I'm not going to cut this. I'm going to let it go so you can see how it works in real time. Here we go. We offer website building, blah, 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 blah. Then I could say, great. How do I get in contact? How do I get in contact? Here you go. You can jump on a free Zoom call with us to get started. Here's the booking link. Boom. The link takes you to my calendar and you see how that works. It's super cool. Upsell this to local businesses and they'll be mind blown that they're getting people booking on their calendar without them doing anything, which is so cool. Okay, so that's how you create AI chatbot. And if you want to join my affiliate program, if you want me to I can teach you 101. All these other benefits here. Make sure you join. Make sure you join High Level through my link. And that's how you create AI chatbot. If you have any questions, drop in the comments and I'll answer you 100%. Thank you.